Okay, today's book is called Miranda Beach Day. One hot summer day, Mama took Miranda to the beach. It's hot enough to cook an egg on the sand, Mama said. Really? Asked Miranda. No, said Mama, but it felt like it. Mama carried a towel. Miranda carried her new pails and shovels. The sun was so hot that it shimmered. Some eagles were in the sky squawking. They were laughing or crying, asked Miranda. I think they're hungry, said Mama. The breeze blew Miranda's hair. Salty sand stuck to her face. I like the beach, she said. In the water, Miranda's toes were cold. She pushed them into the wet sand. When a wave came, Miranda plodded on her bottom and let the water swirl around her feet. Swish, swish, said Miranda, and she wiggles her feet. I'm a mermaid. A small crab walking sideways stopped near Mama's feet. He was carrying a shell. This shell is his shell house, Mama said. It's not a very big one, asked Miranda. I'll build him a castle. Miranda scooped up the crab and put him into his pail. She started to dig. A boy named Ramon came over to watch. You can help if you want to, said Miranda. Ramon used a plastic cone to make towers. His little sister came over to help too. They dig and plow and smooth the sand. They work all afternoon. It's the best castle ever, said Miranda when it was finished. Miranda dug a deep hole for the door and put the crab inside. There, she said. Now you have a new house. But the crab squirreled out and raced back to the water. It was still carrying his old house. I'll catch you, shouted Miranda. You better hurry, said Mama. The tide is coming in. A big wave washed up on the beach and made a roaring sound. The castle became an island. Another wave sprayed over the sand, and the castle was gone. It was a beautiful castle, said Mama. We'll come again another day, and you can make a new one. Will the crab be here again, too? Miranda asked. Yes, said Mama. But the crab will always belong to the sea, the way the castle belongs to the sand, asked Miranda. Yes, Mama said. In the way you belong to me.